Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, can Emma help me save money automatically? The short answer is yes, Emma can absolutely help you save money automatically, but not in the way a traditional savings app might. Emma is primarily a financial management and budgeting app that connects to all your bank accounts and credit cards to give you a complete view of your money. Its main automated saving features focus on helping you identify and eliminate waste, which indirectly leads to automatic savings. Here's how it works. Subscription tracking. Emma automatically scans your transactions to find and list all your recurring subscriptions and direct debits. Many people unknowingly pay for subscriptions they don't use. By clearly presenting this list, Emma lets you see where your money is going and allows you to instantly cancel or renegotiate services you don't need, saving you money automatically every month going forward. Smart budgeting. Emma learns your spending habits and uses this data to help you set realistic budgets. It constantly monitors your progress against these budgets in real time. If you start overspending in a category, Emma will send you alerts. This automatic monitoring acts as a guardrail, preventing you from accidentally spending too much and ensuring you stay on track to meet your savings goals. Wastage detection. The app flags fees, overdraft charges, and other hidden costs. By making you aware of these costs, Emma helps you avoid them in the future. For instance, knowing when an overdraft fee occurred can prompt you to manage your balance better, leading to automatic savings on bank charges. Connecting to investment. While Emma doesn't have a built-in roundup or automated transfer feature like some dedicated savings apps, it does offer tools to connect to your investments and monitor your net worth. It helps you see the bigger financial picture, which encourages better long-term saving and investment habits. In summary, Emma doesn't typically move money into a savings pot for you automatically. Instead, it automates the process of finding waste and overspending through smart analysis and alerts, giving you the power to cut costs and free up money that you can then save. It's a powerful tool for automating the reduction of your expenses. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.